Could you be pregnant? Your first hint might be pregnancy symptoms that show up about the time you expect your period. If you don't feel anything right away, keep waiting. Many women have some pregnancy symptoms by 2 weeks after their missed period. Here are the top 10 signs to watch for. Number 10. Going off some foods. Certain smells may make you feel sick. The mere scent of a sandwich or the aroma of your morning cup of coffee may be enough to ruin your appetite. Number 9. Mood swings. You may feel mood swings, both good and bad, or you might just feel more depressed or anxious than usual. Pregnancy causes hormonal shifts that can influence your brain signals. If you've been feeling really down or thinking about harming yourself, call your GP or midwife straight away. Number 8. Feeling bloated. Your clothes may feel more snug than usual at the waistline, not because your uterus is already expanding, but simply because hormonal changes can make you feel bloated. Number 7. Frequent urination. If you find yourself going to the loo more often than usual, it's because pregnancy raises the rate of blood flow through your kidneys, which causes your bladder to fill more quickly. Number 6. Tiredness. Do you feel inexplicably exhausted and in need of extra sleep? No one knows for sure what causes tiredness in early pregnancy, but the culprit may be surging levels of the hormone progesterone. Number 5. Tender, swollen breasts. Rising levels of certain hormones can make your breasts sensitive and sore. It may feel like an exaggerated version of what happens before your period. Number 4. Nausea. Also called morning sickness. Even though it can happen at any time of the day, pregnancy-related nausea typically doesn't start until about 2 weeks after a missed period. You might vomit or you may just feel queasy. About half of women feel better by the end of the first trimester and most of the rest within another month or so. Some lucky women never feel sick at all. Number 3. Missed period. If you're usually regular and you don't get your period on time, this could be your first noticeable sign of pregnancy. If you're not regular or you're not keeping track of your cycle, you may notice other symptoms before you realise you're late. Number 2. High basal body temperature. If you've been tracking your cycle by charting your temperature every day, you may notice this telltale change. Having a raised basal body temperature for 18 days in a row may mean you're pregnant. And the number 1 sign of pregnancy? A positive pregnancy test. If you take a home pregnancy test and get a negative result, there's a chance that you've tested too soon. Wait a few days, and if your period still hasn't arrived, test again. If you are pregnant, your baby's already developing, so take care of your health while you wait. A positive result is a trustworthy sign that you're pregnant. Visit babycentre.co.uk/pregnancy to learn more. Congratulations!